This time I wanted to draw something festive, something for the new year. Well, and this is what I thought about. I don't know what next year will bring. I'm unable to predict it, and no one can. However, I want to encourage us to make the right choices so that every time we have to make a decision, we choose the one that will lead us to success, well-being, and the sense of happiness. I also wish everyone good luck and good health. I thought about all this when I paint this illustration. I wish for all of us to not to be afraid of our future. Find your love and be loved. My original character witch is actually in a good mood this time. Her smile this time is quite sincere. She and I wish you a happy new year. See you soon.